What's up, gang? You already know what it is. I just got done for editing this damn MukBang that we made on Thursday, I believe so. Thursday last week. So it was me, my dog Edward, and my dog Mikey. Okay? So hope y'all fuck with it. Send me some messages to my Instagram at wildjet.ty. If you do need to, text me about something, tell me if I need to make them some more. And yeah, just let me know how it is. Alright, MukBang with me, Edward, and Mikey. Bro, we can actually do this. Like, actually real. That's a look. Look, we gotta be lit.
Alright, what's up?
Got the fries, you already know what I'm saying?
So what we been talking about?
Got a honey mustard sauce.
What's up, Nannies?
Got a honey mustard sauce, you already know?
I love black as shit.
Alright, a spicy chicken sandwich. Yes, sir. Freaking Edward got a chicken sandwich, some nuggets, and some fries.
Shit, I got my chicken.
He got a Sprite.
Fries, you know what I mean? Got a Sprite down this.
I got a high C. You know, I'm trying something new.
Hey, I see you blessed me. Let me give you a review about the Jacksonville McDonald's. We got here at 12 something that fucking night, and the fries not even still hot all the way.
My fries still hot.
Like, it's not cold. You know what I mean?
No, your shit cold. My shit hot.
Alright, bro, hear me out.
What's up?
There's a spaceship out there.
Alright, bro. This nigga keep trying to freaking build a damn spaceship. Oh, we cannot build a spaceship.
Bro, why can't we not build a spaceship?
Evan, we cannot build a damn spaceship, bro. What the fuck is we gonna come up with the damn money or the damn, parts and plans to fucking build one, Evan? We don't know shit about that.
You watch Ed and Eddie? How you build a spaceship?
Bro, what's fucking Ed and Eddie, bro? That shit not real.
Yeah,
Look.
you go to a junkyard like they do. This motherfucker. Damn, nigga.
Motherfucking baked beans.
Whoa, nigga.
Oh, what are Jeep?
Not close to us and shit.
I think it's swerving that bit.
Perfect.
No,
That
fries
like Edward in
good.
the big body.
Y'all be smacking so bad, swear to God.
I'm high as fuck, bro.
Well, Eric, we don't do drugs around here.
DJ Ghost. Do it at the camera, nigga. That nigga was hitting the dab.
You got it. Oh, you was acting hitting the damn dab, Everett.
Yes, bro.
Hear me out, though.
I can do this. Did you use no sauce on your chicken? I mean, your chicken sandwich? I was talking about Elwood, the new sauce. I know your ass is.
Alright.
What?
Alright, so what if we buy a trailer in Mama Trailer Park and make it a bar?
Oh, ball.
What? I don't even like drinking, Everett.
No. No, it's it'd be a bar, like, you know how mom go to bars and shit like that? It'd be like that, but in a trailer park.
So have big food tables in there and shit?
Yeah, we would gut it out and everything.
Hey, no cap though. All the parents in that bitch gonna go.
Oh, first try. The new sauce,
Let me see.
fucking from China.
That nigga said from China. That's
is.
Cajun Ranch.
It is, bro.
What the
Look,
fuck?
got China writing
That's
on
just
it.
Cajun Ranch.
Okay, the good taste.
Let's see.
Oh, they actually gave him 2 pickles. 2 pickles.
Shit kind of thick though.
But
Like Nicki Minaj
Oh,
booty.
that bitch look nasty.
It'd be like Nicki
So
Minaj
the
booty
camera.
implant coming out.
That bitch don't move.
that shit do last as fuck. So how's it?
But it's Cajun Ranch though. It's still ranch. It's Cajun. People actually like Cajun ranch, like for their fries.
It's not that.
It's not it.
You know that?
Hell
That shit
no.
nasty as fuck.
Try it.
Hell no, I won't try that shit.
Try it,
I
bro.
won't try
I
that
ain't a
shit.
trying ass nigga.
Make you try it,
I
bro.
ain't a trying ass nigga. I don't like ranch anyway. Thank you.
Alright, let me see that shit. This damn sauce shit look weird.
I stick to my own.
Honey butter. It's ranch like Cajun ranch.
It's not that bad. It's not bad.
Yes, man.
It's not bad.
They're good.
It's if you like ranch.
That's the taste of it.
It's not bad though. But I prefer honey mustard.
I prefer shit.
Fucking McDonald's honey mustard nasty as fuck too.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is, bro.
Mm-mm.
The best thing at best honey mustard is Burger King. Burger King.
Bacon shit be tasting old.
I ain't never tasted that shit.
Fucking McDonald's fucking honey mustard like chemical at the end of it.
No, it don't.
Yeah, it does.
Listen, my Burger King shit, we can taste like. The shit finna make me throw up. Like literally, it tastes like throw up, bro.
Bro.
It's like be all slimy and shit. It don't be like no
Burger
damn
King
dip.
fucking Burger
Yeah, that
King.
boy said burger. Butter.
Burger King fucking honey mustard better than McDonald's. Hands down, I don't care nobody says,
Hell no.
bro.
You tripping, Howard?
But hey, but y'all type in the comments, bro. Type in the comments.
This nigga tripping.
Mikey, what you think?
You wanna know that's an underrated place, but that shit raw as fucking fire.
What?
Well,
I barely hear people talk about Checkers, dog. I wanna go to Checkers now.
yeah, I never really ate Checkers.
The Checkers are alright. They didn't give me the shit.
Nah, not for me.
But I work at next probably oh. I feel like I'm pregnant having more than sickness, boy.
Yeah, you is a slow eater, nigga.
Talk about me? Yeah, I always tell people that. I take my time. I don't rush to nothing.
Hey, bro, here we go.
Besides, like everything else, I
You
just
know-
don't rush the food.
They like them are titties.
What?
What nigga?
Them are titties.
What are titties?
On top of McDonald's sign.
Oh, that's a fucking M.
No, it's not, bro. It's supposed to be titties.
Long ass nipples.
I was retarded.
I watched it on YouTube, bro.
Got
You know-
anything though, if you see that bit look like it can be like a 2 gun bullets.
Mm-hmm.
No cap though.
Yeah.
Yes, it
Look,
does.
it really look like it can. If
Real
you-
shit though. It's a box
You have
of
to
fries.
look, you have to really look at where the lines cut
Look,
off.
bitch, real shit. It's a box of fries.
Yeah. You just don't know it's not. I thought Ruby and them already discussed this with your ass.
No, I'm talking about. I didn't know that. Those was fries back there.
Okay, but the M is fries, like fries.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I didn't ever pay that no attention. Like y'all just freaking picked up the fries and ate the bitches. I ain't never looked at the designs.
Like when you look at McDonald's building these. That's why it's like cuts in them, because it's like fries. It's supposed to be fries. On the time. When you most
that
likely
bussin'?
hear McDonald's, you be like, dang, they fries actually good. That's the reason why. I fuck with McDonald's fries.
Yeah, hell, y'all do too.
If you want to know shit that be busting steak and shakes.
Hell yeah, steak shake good as fuck.
But that's like, bro, it's like the cheapest place to eat good as hell.
Mm-hmm. This is so cheap. I mean, so cheap. Shit, there.
Good as fuck, boy.
Hey, put some trash in the bag.
Oh, how about
Nigga, it's where you trash.
oh, from the trash, nigga. My motherfucking trash man, nigga. That's the motherfucking trash man, nigga. No, look at motherfucking trash man, bitch.
So you gonna forget about all that trash up there?
Motherfucker. Oh shit, good thing you said that. I'm finna throw this bitch out the window. Call. I'm gonna say one of the bitches for David.
You saying sauce for David?
Yeah.
He said he want to try something.
You want to try something?
Hell no, I don't like ranch.
No.
Got a little food come on you.
What? Hell no.
Don't lie, Craig.
God damn.
That shit was good as fuck.
I'm just trying to get the show.
Hey, so when we all gonna be single again, bro?
Oh, whoa. Whoa. Hey, you're tripping.
What? How I'm tripping?
I'm staying with my girlfriend.
Well, for how long though?
No.
As long as I
Whatever
can.
life takes me.
Exactly.
Damn, bro.
Just eat a bait, dude.
How the fuck we start out with hot boy summer, motherfucker turn
Don't say something.
hot sofa summer.
That nigga said hot sofa.
Cause I was gonna be right on the motherfucking sofa. With her bitch in my ear, the other like watching me play fucking Call of Duty.
That even fucking game.
That shit always happen, bro. Oh, I don't want to go nowhere. Okay, we staying all his fucking bitches all fucking night. Man, what the fuck, boy? Should be crazy though.
I'm just saying Call of Duty like he played the
Wherever
game.
my future takes me. That's what I'm gonna do there. Well, I don't know, just some staying right there.
Shit, I got cut one nut.
Shut the bitch ass up, man. Welcome to the quinceañera. Thank you.
You should have said, dude, I look like a motherfucking trash man.
Oh.
Well, alright, that was another video, though. The MukBang.
Okay.
With me, Edward, and Mr. Mike.